Hi, so my name's Andy Harding. I'm the Executive Director for Multichannel here at House of Fraser. My responsibility covers everything online really, from online marketing, operations, customer engagement, usability, etc. I've been in the business for 3 years, nearly 3 years, and I've been on the board of directors now for just coming up for 1 year. So we found working with Practicology a really easy experience. There's a great cultural fit between the two teams, and that really helps with the operations and the communication that goes on a daily basis. I think when we went through the process of choosing who we were going to work with, some of the key criteria for us were around cultural fit and around how the team would get on. I think the blend of skills within the Practicology team fit really well with the skills that we have in our team, and from a personal perspective the personalities really get on really well. So as I say, the biggest reason for us was cultural fit, and that's one of the reasons why we found it so easy working with the team. We decided to choose Practicology as our partners for a number of reasons. We went through a fairly robust and rigorous process in analysing the landscape, the retail consultancy landscape in the UK. And during the course of that process we realised that Practicology were the one company that had the right blend of commercial experience and commercial retail experience, technical skills, and technical experience of understanding the various different technologies out there, and thirdly the awareness of the industry, so where the industry is going, the current trends. So those three key elements really made the decision easy for us, and really meant that Practicology stood out from the rest of the field. Multi-channel is really important for us as a business because we have realised over the course of the last 3 or 4 years that the whole business needs to change to be multi-channel. It cannot just be a single strategic business unit operating in silo within the business. The whole of our business now needs to embrace what multi-channel means and how it works, because that's how customers are changing their behaviour. Customers expect to be able to use the device of their choice over the channel of their choice when they want to and how they want to, and if we can't deliver that to them, then we aren't going to be in the winners column in the future. So we see it as absolutely pivotal to our success to operate in a multi-channel way, and that's how we're gearing up our business for the future. Practicology is helping us and supporting us in a number of ways. The first way is in helping us to define what our capabilities need to be for multi-channel success in the future. So that's by analysing what we do now, but more importantly what we need to do for our customers in the future. And then alongside that is identifying which of the technologies and the platforms out there are best placed to support us with that development and with that growth. The second area, and just as importantly, is around people and culture, and understanding how we need to transition as a business to move from one where we have a multi-channel team to where the whole of the business is the multi-channel team. And I think that's really important, and I don't think that's easy to do. A lot of businesses today are finding it difficult to make that transition, and I think that's one of the areas where we've seen really significant help and support from the Practicology team. The thing I like about Practicology's approach is that they have a really robust methodology, and when you combine that methodology with very good interpersonal skills and people skills, that means that Practicology are a really easy team to work with. And I think when you're in a complex business and a fast-growing business like we are, having a team that really feels like part of our team is key to their success. So on a personal level, working with Practicology has been a real pleasure. So the guys are all commercial experts and all from a retail background, so that makes them really sensitive to our challenges and the issues that we face and the stresses that we go through, and that really makes the relationship a strong one. They have a great sense of humour, and we're a good team to work with. So I think having, on a personal level, the guys having similar approaches to us really helps with the interactions with the team. As I said, that makes them feel like they are part of our team as opposed to being separate to us. What makes Practicology different is that they all have a retail and commercial background as well as consultancy and technical skills, and I think that means that working with us, they are more sensitive to our requirements, our pressures and our challenges, and that means that we can operate on a level with them. I think that they have a really good blend of technical skills and industry awareness as well, and that equally helps us to shape what the future looks like for our business, both from a technical perspective but also from a people and process perspective, and I think that's what sets them apart really from the competition. So I would recommend Practicology for a number of reasons. I think firstly they feel like part of our team, and I think for us that's really, really important when working with our partners, that they feel like part of the team and they understand us and what makes us tick. I think the second reason would be that they have great breadth and blend of skills, and that covers the commercial awareness of how retail works, the technical skills and awareness of what's out there in the industry from a platform and a technology capability perspective, and thirdly industry awareness of what is the future for retail, what are the trends and where is the industry going, and I think all of those three things blended together mean that they stand out from the crowd in terms of their ability to help businesses like us, and that would be why I would recommend them.